Seaglaze was founded in 1970. We're a modern family-owned business, and we specialise in the supply of custom windows and doors for the marine environment. Seaglaze has a very wide customer base, and we supply all areas of the marine market. So at one end we supply to people like Princess, Sunseeker, Fairline with the multi-million-pound pleasure vessels. We then go into things like Oyster and North Shore, which are the very luxury yachts. And we also supply a lot of stuff to the commercial sector, which includes things like the RNLI, South Boats and Red Bay. Because each customer's requirements are unique, even before we start manufacture, we have to establish actually what the customer wants and make sure that both they understand and our production understands what they are to produce. There can be a lot of time spent in going through multiple iterations of drawings and questions before we can come up with a final product. For a Series 24 door, it will normally take between an hour and a half to generate all of the drawings that we require. The purpose of this project was to try and achieve this in less than 5 minutes. The first stage was for myself and another person to go away to learn a bit more about it, and we attended one of Michael Concepts' training days, specifically about iLogic. Because of our full order book, we didn't have the time to develop this technology, so Michael Concepts were good enough to take over the implementation of generating this iLogic model that we're now using and deliver it back to us as a fully completed project. From our point of view, the data integrity aspect is fundamental. Because each door is unique, we need to make sure that we keep a record of exactly what the size of the door is, what its configuration is. One of the great benefits we have of this inventor model is that not only does it store this information, but we're also able to alter it very, very quickly. So if a customer or the production team wants to make a minor change, it becomes a 2-minute exercise as opposed to repeating the hour-long exercise that has been beforehand.
It's the time saving. Before we had the iLogic in place, we used to have it linked to an Excel spreadsheet. We had lots of different models for different styles of doors. It's a lot quicker.
I've been working with Michael Concepts now for just over 10 years, and they've very much helped us through the various iterations of technology as things become more advanced and more capable. Michael Concepts' performance within this project has been excellent. Everybody from the sales representative to the consulting team understand what Seaglaze is about and what we're trying to achieve. At the end of the day, Seaglaze's core business is manufacturing. For us, it is not the generation of software or the utilising of software. These are both means to an end. Michael Concepts has been very good in understanding that we are not specialists ourselves within this IT area, and that actually a lot of the time we are focused on the manufacturing aspect. They've always been very helpful, very prompt, so overall I couldn't be happier.